All right, hello again, everyone. You're here with me, Daryl Sherman. We are working today with Ryan Stock. I've been knowing Stock about 6 or 7 years. He was on one of my travel ball teams called the OG Dirtbags. Now Stock is a big kid. He's at Servite High, and we're just going to demonstrate how to control the bat head in the path with one hand. We call this individual one-hand drill. As you can see, normally we would have a small bat, but because I want him to be able to demonstrate with his bat, we're not going to implement the small bat today. So, you ready, Ryan? All right, so here we go. So as you guys can see, he will control the bat head through the zone, leading with the knob and keeping a short to the ball, A to B, and finishing up long. Good. Very nice. Good. Good. Very nice. And it should look the same when we start doing it with two hands. Good. All right, you gonna switch hands, Ryan? Here we go. Same way. Okay. Good. Good. Very nice. Are we gonna throw it to the front leg? Good. Then you guys will see that it'll be the same swing even with two hands. Right down the middle. Good. Last one, and then we're gonna go two hands, and it should be the same swing. Good. All right. Both hands. Good. Good. Very nice. All right, you got three more and you're done, buddy. Three more. Very nice. Two more. Good. We're gonna throw the one at the knees. Good. Very nice. Peace out. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. See you later, Ryan.